This is Andrew.
And this is Andrew's dad.
We are currently looking to add a C3 Corvette to our collection.
We're big fans of the 1968 to 1972 model years. We already have the model cars and poster on our walls to go with the car we're looking to add to our collection. We came across this perfectly restored 1971 model that we just had to check out.
Other than a few minor flaws, this car was near perfect.
The headlights didn't pop up. I suspect it was because of a leaky vacuum hose. The AC also needed to be recharged.
Air conditioning, you just take the roof off.
Yeah. It's a cool look. That was pretty easy. Can you put it back on? I just want to see how easy it is to. And just like that. And it's just a front latch and a rear latch, eh?
You got it.
We're checking out this gorgeous 1971 Corvette C3. What's the color called again, Brent?
Bridgehampton Blue.
Bridgehampton Blue. What's your impression, Andrew?
I think the blue is very beautiful.
Okay, other than the color, talk about the car. Well, is it? Would this be a cooler first car than the C4 we just picked up?
Yeah, I would say so. 'Cause they're so hard to find in this well of a shape. Today,
Well, let's look at the interior. Let's look how good the interior is.
so for the interior,
Yeah, it's pretty impeccable for, let's see, this thing is 1971, so it's 53 years old.
yeah,
I hope my body is this nice when I'm 53 years old.
there's only a
Lap belt, no
lap
shoulder belt.
No shoulder.
But I think you can get the option for the shoulder belt. You can get the option. No option for the shoulder belt. You've probably never sat in a car that has manual locks and manual window, eh?
Yeah, like you have to turn this window to get it to go up or down.
Yeah, if you have to take a friend, your girlfriend, you have to open this door for her first.
You ever seen the telescoping steering? On the top of the steering column, right here.
Oh, cool. Okay, Andrew, easy there, buddy. We haven't bought the car yet. Don't.
It's called telescoping steering.
It's pretty cool, hey?
Yeah, and obviously it would be.
Watch your hand.
Have analog gauges.
Yeah, all analog gauges. That's right.
And no trunk.
And no trunk.
There's no trunk in this.
I think you can throw something back there,
Okay.
but yeah, you're not taking a long road trip.
You'd fit back there.
No, actually, seriously, I might be able to fit back there.
He's joking.
Yeah, it's quite a different car than cars that you've seen on this channel.
Yeah, I've come across many C3s, but I have to say this is probably, in terms of fit and finish of a 50-year-old vehicle. She's pretty gorgeous. Regrettably, somebody put in an offer 1 hour before Andrew's mom got to see the car.
You know what cures heartbreak, Dad?
What, Andrew?
Ice cream from Avario.
Okay, let's go.